Welcome all. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about the functional interfaces in Java. So what are the functional interfaces? Functional interfaces are recognized as a single abstract method interface. It means functional interface is an interface which contains only one abstract method. Functional interface can have number of default method. It can have a static method also, but it can contain only one abstract method. Runnable, action listener, and comparable, these are the few examples of the functional interfaces. From Java 8 and onwards, Lambda expression can be used to represent the instance of a functional interface. It means if you want to create the instance of a functional interface, you can use the Lambda expression from Java 8 and onwards. If you want to learn about the Lambda expressions in Java, you can watch my another video. I will provide the link of that video in the description of this video. Now, functional interfaces, you can say mainly how functional interfaces are created. Functional interfaces are created by using a annotation that is called @ functional interfaces. So if we summarize this thing, we can simply say that a functional interface is an interface which can contain only one abstract method. Okay, so now I will come to the, you can say, practical implementation of that. Before that, let me give the example of few functional interfaces. Like you can say runnable is a functional interface. It contains only one abstract method that is called run. In the same way, comparable is also a functional interface which contains a single abstract method that is called compare to. Now I will show you practically here. For example, this is my Pradeep class, and I will do one thing. I will implement implements. I will implements, and let me show you runnable, runnable. So I'm writing here. So you will see that it is giving me the option add unimplemented method. So when I click on that, you can see that the runnable interface contains only single abstract method. If you want to see, I can show you the complete structure of this runnable class. Just press the control button and click on it. So you will see this is the runnable class, and you can see here this is a functional interface and it contains only one abstract method. Okay, in the same way I can show you about the comparable also. Let me do one thing. Let me remove this code from here, and now I'm going to use comparable. So now in this case, you will see, I will show you both things. If I click on this error, add unimplement method, you can say it is only asking to implement the method compare to. And if you want to see the complete structure of the class, just press the control button and click on this one. So here you can say, again, you can say in the definition, it is a functional interface. This is a functional interface, and you can say this is the abstract method here. Okay, so now I can show you one more thing, that we have another interface that is called comparable, comparator, comparator. That is also, you can say, interface. Let me remove it, and now let me click on this comparator. Okay, so now here you can see that if I try to implement the unimplement method, it contains the method compare. So comparator interface contains the compare method here. Okay, so now I will show you that as I told you that in the functional interface, it is not mandatory that you cannot have your default method, you cannot have the static method, but the condition is that it can contain only one abstract method. That is the condition here. Okay, and how you can identify whether it is a functional interface or not? Just above your class, it will use a annotation that is called functional interface. Now I'll show you that how you can create your own functional interface also. For that purpose, you can see that this is my let's make automation .java. It is an interface here. Now I will try to create a abstract method here, public void. Let me use the abstra, abstract keyword void, and I'm just giving the name of the function start. So you can say it is one abstract method, and you can say you are not able to see any error here, because in interface we can have multiple methods here. So I'm just creating one start. We can create stop method also. And now you can see here, if I will try to make this interface as a abstract method. So what is the condition? Condition is that a functional interface can contains only one abstract method. So currently it is having two abstract method and it is a normal interface. So let me do one thing. Let me use a annotation functional interface. So when I'm using the functional interface annotation, you can see that it is giving the error here, and you can see here invalid functional interface. Let's make automation is not a function enter. Why it is saying that? Because we have two abstract method. Now just see it. If I will comment this method or remove this method, you can say now your error is gone, because reason is that a function interface can contains only one abstract method. Other than that, you can say if you want to put some default method, you can put it here. There is no condition for that. For example, I can say that public default method in Java onwards, in Java 8 onwards, you can have the default method also. So I'm just putting default default and just giving the name test, and the return type, let me make it void here. So you can see here, I'm just creating a default method here with the body. So you can say that you are not able to see error. It means a functional interface is similar to the normal interface, because normal interface can contains the default method as well as they contain the static method. So I will try to create the static method also, public static void, and let me say check. So you can see that still I am not getting error. So it means our interface, it is a normal interface or it is a functional interface. In the both the cases, it can have default method, it can have a static method, but only the difference between the normal interface and the functional interface is that it can contain only one abstract method. So you can see here again, it is containing only one abstract method. If I will try to make two, so now it will violate the rule of function interface. So if I remove it, now it will become the normal interface, and you can see. So I hope the function interface part is clear to you. And in this way, you can create your own function interface. How you can use your functional interfaces in your classes, that we will discuss in my another video. And as well as I will tell you that how you can utilize the lambda expression to use the functional interfaces. So I hope you like this video. If you have any comment, you can put in the comment of this video. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, you can subscribe it. Thank you.